Hey everyone, this is Shoaib and I am an automation expert and have been working as a freelancer for 7 years. So in this video I want to introduce the Zoho CRM, the functionality we can implement and the things in it, the scenarios, the workflows, everything. So here we have a dummy account I have been working or testing. So there is a main menu on the upper portion. You can see the leads, deals, projects, meetings, calls, invoices, accounts. So everything can be managed in this CRM. Let's say we have some leads coming in from website form or Calendly or from meetings or for Facebook ads like that. So all the leads will be posted and added here in this like menu in this window. So we can create leads manually as well, and we can make some automations to create leads here automatically that's coming from the like website forms. So we have next portion about the deals. So whenever the lead is interested, we can convert those to the deals. Like if there is a lead like Tuba and she is interested in your service, so we can just click on that and convert it to a deal. So and we can track all the lead here. There are different stages for that. We have different like views to track the deals. Like whenever our lead is in initiating process, it's in the inbox, and then we can transfer it from inbox to contacting mode whenever we have been chatting with him, if there is a meeting like that. So there are a lot of stages. We can customize these according to our needs, our requirements. So I want to tell you there are certain roles in this Zoho, like there is an owner who has been managing all the stuff, leads, dealing, who has been just monitoring, and then we have different roles like manager, lead manager, and project manager, and we can assign different section to them. Like lead manager will be only getting the leads from other platforms, and the project managers will be like scheduling meetings and talking to them and other things. So yeah, we can design different roles, and for every role we can design different pipelines. Like for lead manager there will be a separate pipeline. Whenever he will create a lead, there will be like he have to send the follow-up message. So he will be the lead manager, so he will manage the leads. So there will be a different pipeline for him and different for project manager, and obviously different stages for lead manager and project manager. And the CEO or the owner will be seeing all of these pipelines that are under the CEO role. So here let me show you what we can do. Like here different pipelines we can create new. There is a pipeline for lead manager. He can actually take over the inbox, contact mode, cold, and he can also take over the project manager's pipeline if we want to, because sometimes you have to assign leads separately, half to project manager 1 and half to project manager 2, and similarly if there are a lot of leads, then we can increase the project managers and leads accordingly. And one more functionality we can use in actually Zoho, we can customize the lookings according to our designs. We can create our own designs for the leads and the deals. Like so we are on the deals portions. Let's say lead management pipeline, and here we can I did designed a custom like we can say canvas for this. I designed actually two, but yeah, so this one was good, and it's usually useful for the easy to understand a deal. It's colorful and looks more professional. So also I did create it for the leads. So we can create a customization of the window to look it more clear or creative and easy to understand what we are doing. Whenever we click on the leads, we can yeah, if we want more details, we have to click on the leads simply, and it will redirect us to the window for the more details of the leads. And similarly, like for the deals, we can click and get more details. So yes, we can make a lot of automations and workflows according to our need. Like whenever a lead comes in, it will be automatically assigned to a project manager or a lead manager. And similarly, we can set up a lot of other automations. And if we want external automations like notification on email and like a task created in the Trello and some other things, then we have to use Zapier. I can show that as well in other videos. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.